And we're here sa aming final destination for the day. Well, third stop for now.
Final.
Final. The
Kyoto.
Inari, Fushimi Inari, or the Thousand Torii Gates.
Okay, so we'll show you around. I just completed ko na. Ang init talaga sobra. Okay, let's go
Let's have a look
and
around
show
and
you
then
around.
show you around. Okay, so it's just after 5 p.m. now. Mabuti naman medyo makulimlim na, hindi na ganun kainit. So akit lang kami dito sa pathway na to. As you can see in the distance, it's one of the Torii Gates. At ito yung famous landmark dito sa Osaka or Kyoto. Kyoto. Yung Fushimi Inari Shrine or the Thousand Torii Gates. So ito lang yung entrance. At saan tayo? Hingal na.
So unfit.
So ito na siguro yung entrance papunta sa Thousand Torii Gates, but I'm not sure. Lakad-lakad lang tayo kasi maraming daanan. We'll have a look. So guys, ito yung mapa ng place. So at the moment, andyan tayo ngayon. And if you notice, yan, second right, ayan na yung Thousand Torii Gates. And then it goes all the way up and up to the very top of the hill. Oh wow, mahaba pala. Well, we're not sure if kaya namin akitin yan, but we'll try kung saan kami makakarating. Alright, come and join us then. Let's go. Oh, maraming shops dito, mga food shops, food stalls. Tingnan natin. Meron itong mga, I don't know, something to burn, incense maybe. Right. Ano yung sold out? No.
This one.
Which one?
This one, remember?
Okay, we'll try that. Shall we? Now? Okay, so nag-try kami na itong, apparently this is a viral sweet here in Kyoto.
Ano yan, may...
Oh, beep, sorry. Ano tawag dito?
Strawberry Daifuku Mochi. It's
Strawberry
mochi.
Daifuku Mochi. So I'll take this.
This is for, yeah.
Angelo?
Look,
Jerry Angelo.
this
Do I have a
got
bite?
bigger strawberry.
Oo nga.
Tingnan mo, oh. Maliit yung strawberry binigay sa akin.
Have a bite. See what it's like. Okay, so dito kasi sa Japan,
Masarap. Ano?
we learned that if you are eating, you are not supposed to walk while eating. Okay, we stay here. As I was saying, kasi dito sa Japan, if you are eating, you are not supposed to walk at the same time. You have to stay in one side and then finish what you're eating before you start walking again. It's they consider it unethical or rude to eat while walking. Okay, so we'll just enjoy it, and then after this, we'll just go straight now to para makita natin yung Thousand Torii Gates.
Again. Sarap. Ano man?
Sarap lang tumambay dito sa mga gilid-gilid kasi malamig. May air conditioning. tayo, may dumaan na tren. And then we go.
So we got rest tonight.
Right. So we think this, oh, ito na nga. This may be the entrance to the Thousand Torii Gates.
It is.
So we finally found it. There we go.
Hi, boy.
It's a bit crowded today. But it's okay as long as we found it. Right. So here we go, guys. The Thousand Torii Gates, Fushimi Inari in Kyoto, Japan. Gorgeous, very good. Ganda. So, apparently may story itong mga Torii Gates na to. Ano yung story?
Sabi nung sa tourist guide na nakikinig na, may isang man daw na nag-make ng wish. Tapos, yung wish niya came true.
Okay.
So, he built one torii.
Ano yung wish ng tao?
I don't know.
So he made a wish something, and then as a sign of gratitude na na-grant yung wish niya, so he built this.
Only one.
Only
and
one.
then other people followed.
Oh,
So,
that man built one Torii
what
Gate.
he initiated the torii
And then,
gate.
so itong mga Torii Gates na to, hindi lang to gawa ng isang tao. So it was built by many
Everyone
people.
who probably when their wish came true.
So built the Torii Gate. Okay. Oh, that smells nice. There's another one here. There's another entrance. Right. So update. So we are
Nandito
here.
lang kami. Andito lang kami. I think.
Okay, yeah, we are
Dito
there.
kami. So pwede pang umakyat. Pero hindi na kami aakyat. Kasi to take to the top, 1 hour daw. Yung mga bagets namin, iba na itsura dahil nga super init, super crowded. So we will stop from here.
So what we're gonna do is we are
Going
here.
back.
We're going to double back. Either we go that way, pabalik ka ganon, down,
Or
we
go this
double
at-
back,
Yeah.
go the other way. back to where
Okay.
we started.
Which
But-
we will be doing.
But at this moment in time, we're not gonna go all the way up to the mountain. Because it will take an hour in this weather and it's already 6 in the evening. We don't have the energy anymore. Kasi it's so hot.
So hot.
I
It's
just-
best to come back, I think,
I
when
just-
it's cooler.
Yeah.
So springtime or winter time, autumn.
And I just turned 48 2 days ago. Right. So we go this way, back to where we came from. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to cut it short, our journey. Kasi maybe when we come back in spring or autumn time when it's a bit colder, then we'll climb to the top of the mountain. Right, we'll see you at the bottom. Okay, and that's the end of our tour for today. Where did we go? This is in Fushima Inari, Thousand Torii Gates, and asan tayo kanina?
Kanina is
Kalimutan na.
Kalimutan
Bamboo Forest.
ko,
Bamboo Forest.
Bamboo Forest. Fushimi Bamboo.
No, it's not.
Something like that.
Something like that. I will just write it down.
Yeah.
Pagod na. It's
Pagod,
now
super pawis. As
after 6
in-
p.m. It's very
as
humid.
in, pawis na pawis. T-shirt ko basang-basa.
Buhok namin.
Hindi kaya na nakababa lang ang buhok talaga dito. Lagi nakataas.
Okay, so mamayang gabi, pahinga lang kami sa hotel and then we are going to go to Dotonbori and have some takoyaki.
Siya, sige na muna.
And that's for another video and then we're gonna go to Don Quixote.
Nauna na yung mga anak ko kasi nga they need to rest na.
Hindi na sila sasama mamaya. Okay, so
Okay.
Don Quixote and Dotonbori for tonight and that's gonna be another separate video. And thanks for watching!
Thank you very much.
Where's the train coming from? There.